Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. So in this video today, it's part of a collaboration and it's called Keep It Simple Sunday, and it's a monthly challenge. So the host of this collab is Melissa Makes It DIY, and the co-host is DIY from House to Home. So jumping into the video, I decided to make 3 Valentine's Day DIYs with items that I purchased mostly from the Dollar Tree. So I'm going to be linking the host and the co-host channel down below in the description box. I'm also going to be linking the playlist, so make sure to watch the video, subscribe to our channels, and then head on over to that playlist to see what everybody else chose to create today. So now this wall decor piece, I decided to go ahead and decorate it for Valentine's Day. I did decide to change the look of it. So today we're going to be Mod Podging some cardstock over it, and then we're going to start embellishing it for Valentine's Day. And I'm really excited about this one. Is really cute. Okay, so I already pre-cut the cardstock that's going to be placed on top of this wall decor piece. So we are spreading that Mod Podge everywhere. Then we're going to go ahead and lay that cardstock down. Now the Dollar Tree has these beautiful paper bags, and sometimes I just go ahead and cut them out and I embellish with them. So this was a piece of a bag that I had from last year in my stash, and I decided to cut that peonies floral to place on this decor piece, and that's what I'm doing here. Now remember, when you're using Mod Podge, you want to go ahead and lay that cardstock down on top of it, let it dry. Then you want to go back in and reseal everything. Now if you're layering like I'm doing here with this floral, you're going to go back in and also reseal that because you don't want it to lift. Okay, now I cut that floral out. We're gonna bring back the wall decor piece, and now I'm just trying to figure out a placement of where I want to lay that down, and that's what you see me doing here. So here what I decided to do is paint one of these little love signs that I purchased from the Dollar Tree in red, and then gather up some florals because now we're going to start embellishing the little house. Now the Dollar Tree also sells these letter stickers. In case you don't have a Cricut machine, you can always use the stickers. And we are going to be spelling out "Be Mine" and then "Love" on the bottom. So this is going to come out so cute. Okay, now time to glue the hanger to the back, and we are almost done with DIY number 1. Okay, now in this project, we're going to be decorating this heartwood sign, and we're going to be embellishing it with items that I also purchased from the Dollar Tree. Now I think this piece came out absolutely gorgeous also. I'm not really sure which one is my favorite, but I think I love them all. You tell me which one you like. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. And don't forget to head on over to that playlist so that you can see how everybody created on Keeping It Simple Sunday. Bye guys.